Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm gonna show you how you can change the setting of your subscribe and save items on Amazon, like the delivery location, payment methods, skip a delivery, cancel the subscription, and much more stuff like that, or add a new subscription. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time. So, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you're logged into your Amazon Zone account, just like I am here. And once you're on the main page of Amazon, what you need to do is go over on here where it says account and lists on this blue bar, and you'll see right here a button subscribe and items under your account. You can either click on that or just click on the account and lists, and it will take you to a page like this. And under memberships and subscriptions you have subscribe and save. You should click on that and it will take you to a page similar to this. Yours might look a bit different if you already have a subscribe and save item. Here I can add a new one because I don't have any. And if you already have one, here you should find it. And by clicking on it, you have multiple options like cancel the subscription, skip a delivery, set a new delivery date, how often do you want them delivered. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.